Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to get many likes and comments on Twitter X. This tool lets you manage multiple accounts and post automatically in a safe and efficient way. Start by adding your accounts. Each account can have a unique proxy to avoid detection or bans. You can log in using cookies or two-factor authentication for better security. Each account runs in a separate browser profile, each with its own IP address. To begin, go to the viral marketing section of the software. Select the seeding tweet option. This feature lets you auto-like, comment, and interact with any post you want. Take the link of the post you want to engage with and paste it into the tool. Then configure the settings. Choose the number of threads, which is how many accounts run at the same time, and the number of posts each account will interact with. Set the break interval to 10 to 15 seconds. Then select the actions you want. You can comment, add hashtags, tag users, retweet, or even retweet with a comment. After everything is ready, choose your accounts and press start. The tool will launch its own anti-detect browser for each account, using different proxies for each to stay safe. And that's how you auto-like, comment, and retweet on X. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation guides.